Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove passkey from your Google account. So I'm provide full guide. So first open your Google. Click on to profile and press on manage your Google account. So as you can see, showing it to this option, security and sign in. Scroll down, then you get passkey and security key. Just tap on this, enter your password, press on next. And you just remove from this, like remove to remove. Okay, just remove this and go back. Click on this option and verify again. And make sure to turn off this and overall setup. So that's it.